Now these are all the details for November, and these are all the details for all the details, right? On the right hand side, the first column is for November. But the top, which is being considered as header right now, is not the actual header. So what we'll do, we'll first use first row as header. So the first row is actually the header. So now see, these are all the header. This is what we saw in the Excel file. Account customer, FR, DFL, like that. Account customer, FR, DFL, TP, and all. And this column on the left, which is currently showing as NOV, this is the one which will differentiate between the October data and the November data, because we have uploaded data for both October and November. But this NOV is kind of is not giving the true picture, right? Because this data name should be months, not NOV. So we can rename it. We can rename this detail to months. Okay. Now see, since we have renamed, it has got another column, another step added to it. It's renamed. So basically, what we have done in this step, so we have concatenated whatever files we had in that particular folder. We have a single file now, and that file is the monthly data. Now what we'll do, we'll close and apply. So there are pending changes in the query, so it's now the query is getting executed. Okay, so it's a monthly data. See, now it's loading data from October. Okay, so we have one error. We got one error. Okay, so let's see what the error. So for that, I've clicked on view error. So it will open another this error part. So this is for the 4058 under October. So we have this October one is giving some error. Okay, so the error is because of this one, this header. Okay, so this is one which is giving the error. So we can first right now we can delete this group. Okay, over here what we will do, we'll do on a total account, we'll search for account. Let's see if we find something particular one. Load more. Okay, so that's fine. That particular error, if you can find out, you can just delete it from here. Or if not, you can do a close and apply. And now the data set is created. Now, if I have to do it for months here, and let's say I want to see that how many records are there for each month. Okay, or maybe a pie chart of it. Okay, and the value is data value and display is none. Okay, so 3974 for October and 4057 for November. So 3974 is for October and 4057 on November. So that is then all the data points are now correctly loaded. So with this pie chart, we have verified that even the numbers are matching. So there was no issue in using Power Query to merge the files and create the consolidated file, which we can further use for visualization. So that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.